Here we have a package from Freedomsmith USA. These are triggers for the let me see, for the Canik. So let's see how you pop this thing open. It says trigger shoe is not guaranteed to be a drop-in item. Installation by a qualified gunsmith is required, blah blah blah, which I'm going to do anyway. So yeah, so this is the trigger that I went with. It took a little while for this one to pop up, but yeah, I wanted one that was one single color, because usually they're like red with black, or red with gold, or black with blue and gold and purple and all that. But me, I just wanted a hit of red to be on this thing. So as you guys can see, it's really nice. And this is for the Canik TP9 SFX Mete, or Canik TP9 Mete SFX, however you say it. But yeah, give me one quick second to just show you guys like what I'm going for. All right, so let's just lock that back. So as you guys can see, this is my Canik TP9 Mete SFX. I believe that's how you say it. It's empty. Boom. There we go. We have the SIG Romeo 0. We have the 45 blast compensator. Then we are soon to have the Freedomsmith trigger. So I'm trying to line it up kind of, but you guys get what I'm going for. So like what I wanted to do is, I like that little hit of red on the trigger safety, because like again, you can't pull the trigger back without pressing that safety, so that is a safety. But yeah, I just felt like this was going to suit my hand a bit more, and this is basically what it's going to look like. Sorry, I keep dropping it off, but yeah, gonna contact one of my local gunsmiths and see how much it'll be to get this thing installed. It's probably gonna be like 25-30 bucks or something, but yeah, it's gonna look great. So let me just try and line this thingy up. But yeah, so just imagine that, but actually installed in the gun. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys in the next one when I actually have this thing installed and I take it to the range.